In this daily video series we cover news and updates regarding monetary and fiscal policies of G7 countries, as these policies have huge impact on their currency against other currencies. In today's video we shall cover all major events happening regarding central banks of G7 nations. Bank of Japan. Private consumption makes up roughly 60% of the total GDP. Therefore, a timely and precise assessment of the developments in private consumption is deemed important for making judgments on business cycles in the macroeconomy. Bank of Japan accounts, September 30, 2022. Year-on-year differences. Rate of changes, 4. Japanese government securities is plus 17.5 trillion yen, plus 3.3%, reflecting the bank's outright purchases of JGBs. Loans, excluding those to the Deposit Insurance Corporation, is minus 58.3 trillion yen, minus 42.1%, reflecting the decrease in the fund's provision through the special funds supplying operations to facilitate financing in response to the novel coronavirus. Current deposits minus 48.6 trillion yen, minus 9.0%, reflecting the decrease in the fund's provision mainly through the special funds supplying operations to facilitate financing in response to the novel coronavirus. Bank of Japan's transactions with the government, September 2022. The quarterly report consists of two tables, the stock table and the flow table. Please visit the official links in the reference for viewing the tables. For further information, please contact the Monetary Affairs Department, Bank of Japan, by email, norahisa.takeda@baj.or.jp. Monetary base and the Bank of Japan's transactions, September 2022. The monthly report consists of two tables, the stock table and the flow table. To view the detailed tables, please visit the BAJ's official links below in the reference. For further information, please contact the Monetary Affairs Department, Bank of Japan, by email, norahisa.takeda@baj.or.jp. Regional Economic Report, Summary. This report summarizes the reports from all regional research divisions, mainly at the bank's branches in Japan, and is based on data and other information gathered for the meeting of general managers of the bank's branches held today. Board of Governors of Federal Revenue System. Overall inflation remained much too high in August. Gasoline prices decreased and food prices raised. House prices and rent growth has been very high. The price index for housing services continues to increase at the recent monthly average rate of around 0.6% for the next several months. The unemployment rate is 3.7%. Nationwide, prices of existing homes rose by about 20% over the 12 months ending in May, while they rose at an annual rate of less than 10% in recent months. Federal Reserve announces it will replace its current bank application filing system with a new and upgraded system later this month. The Federal Reserve Board announced on Thursday to replace its current bank application filing system with a new and upgraded system later this month. The new system will make the filing process more intuitive and will help to reduce paper applications and communications. The name of new cloud-based system is FedsFile, that will provide real-time status tracking, two-way messaging, and digitally signed documents for applications. Reserve Bank of Australia. It shows the movement of assets and liabilities from previous to this Wednesday. Financial Stability Review October 2022. Global financial stability risks have increased, amid tighter financial conditions and rising uncertainty. Higher inflation and rising interest rates will make it difficult for some borrowers to meet debt payments. The risks from cyber attacks and climate change continue to be a focus of financial institutions and regulators. Bank of England. The resource matches the Bank of England's existing set of materials, i.e. See Money and Me-12 lesson resource that introduces primary school pupils to how money and the economy works, which was created in partnership with Bino and Test.Economy. 4-lesson resource plan to help 11 to 16-year-olds understand the economy better and provide them with the analytical skills to make informed decisions. Bank of England. The resource matches the Bank of England's existing set of materials, i.e. See Money and Me-12 lesson resource that introduces primary school pupils to how money and the economy works, which was created in partnership with Bino and Test.Economy. 4-lesson resource plan to help 11 to 16-year-olds understand the economy better and provide them with the analytical skills to make informed decisions. Bank of England Weekly Report October 5, 2022. The weekly report covers the latest data on assets and liabilities, published every Thursday. Bank of Canada. Governor Tiff Macklem describes inflation in Canada, its effects with domestic demand and the bank's strategy to bring inflation back to the 2% target. Inflation was on peak in June and now slightly lowering down due to a fall in commodity prices and shipping, so supply benchmarks are improving. International Monetary Bank, San Marino, staff concluding statement of the 2022 Article 4 mission. The growth projected at 8.3% for 2021. Strong external demand, improved manufacturing and a rebound in tourism led to strong economic activity. Higher energy prices are expected to lower down. Bank's profitability and capitalization have improved. IMF staff reaches staff-level agreement with Rwanda for a Resilience and Sustainability (RST) program, with an accompanying Policy Coordination Instrument (PCI). 36-month Policy Coordination Instrument and Resilience and Sustainability Facility will have access of 150% of quota, SDR 240.3 million. GDP growth at 6.8% in 2022. Inflation raised to 15.9% in August, prompting the central bank to raise the policy rate by 100 bps per second to 6%. Fiscal performance for FY 21-22 was in line with expectations. Navigating a more fragile world. Global growth reached 6.1% in 2021 but has been downgraded, our growth already 3 times, to only 3.2% for 2022 and 2.9% for 2023. An overall, global output loss of about $4 trillion between now and 2026 is expected. IMF staff concludes visit to Senegal. The growth projection to 4.7%. Inflation reached a multi-decade high of 11.2% in August, driven by rising food prices. Average inflation in 2022 is expected to reach 7.5%. Growth outlook was around 10% over the period 2023 and 2024, boosted by oil and gas production, and inflation is expected to gradually fall to 2%. Watch this channel for more Forex updates.